Ukraine's Crimean Tatars came out emphatically in support of the new leadership in Kiev. They shouted, "Crimea is not Russia," and "Bandits, get out." Historically persecuted by the Soviets, Crimean Tatars say they belong in a pro-European, united Ukraine. Deputies were to meet inside the regional parliament to discuss Crimea's future, but the Muslim minority has been alarmed by talk of separatism from pro-Russian politicians.
Crimean Tatars nation is outraged by information about Crimean parliament wants to separate our motherland, Crimea, from Ukraine state.
Here were different supporters banded together to defend their interests. Some want Crimea to return to Russia, others for the region to have greater autonomy. This is a contest over who can shout the loudest, who has the largest number of supporters, and who cares more about the future of Crimea and Ukraine. Police looked pressured and understaffed. It may not be up to them, but the politicians to keep the peace. Crimea should choose peace, this man's sign reads, but he looks like a lone voice, and it's unclear who is ready to listen. Robin Forestier Walker, Al Jazeera, Simferopol, Crimea.